Hi, in this brief video we're going to go over 9 tips for saving money on your homeowner's insurance. For more money saving tips, information, or to get free quotes, click on the link in the description or visit the website you see on your screen. The first tip is to use one company for different types of insurance. If you use the same company for health insurance, car insurance, and homeowner's insurance, you may be able to get a reduced price for all three. Tip number 2 is to stay with the same company. If you use the same company for a number of years, you may be able to get a special discount for being a long-term policyholder. Some insurance companies will discount premiums by 5% if you've been with them for 3 to 5 years, and by as much as 10% if you've been a policyholder for 6 years or more. Tip number 3 is to shop around. This may sound contrary to the first 2 tips, but the easiest way to save money on your homeowner's insurance is to do a little comparison shopping. If your insurance provider isn't giving you the best rate, there's no reason to stay with them. If you get quotes from multiple insurance providers and find a company that offers the same or better coverage for less money than you're currently paying, then by all means switch companies. Tip number 4 is to raise your deductibles. The deductible is the amount of money that you are required to pay toward a loss before your insurance company starts to pay for a claim. Many insurance companies have deductibles of $500. If you were to raise your deductible to $1,000, you could save as much as 25% on your monthly premiums. Tip number 5 is to monitor your credit report. More and more insurance companies these days are using credit information to set the price of a homeowner's insurance policy. Anything you can do to improve your credit score could help you save money on your homeowner's insurance. Tip number 6 is for the smokers. If you are a smoker, quit smoking. It may sound strange, but non-smokers can generally pay less for homeowners insurance than smokers do. The reason for this is because a large percentage of house fires are caused by cigarettes. If you are a non-smoker, there's less risk of your house being damaged or destroyed by fire, and because of this, you will be eligible for discounts on your premiums. Tip number 7 is to install a home security system. Installing a home security system will make you eligible for discounts because homes with security alarms are less likely to be burglarized. Since your insurance company would pay for any damage caused by a person breaking into your house, as well as replacing any personal property that was stolen, the fact that a security alarm reduces the chance of that happening will make you eligible for a discount with most insurance providers. Tip number 8 is to simply ask for additional discounts. You may be eligible for discounts that you don't even know about. By simply calling your insurance agent and asking about any possible discounts, you may be able to get a reduced rate. The final tip is one that a lot of people fail to do, but should do, and that's reviewing your policy at least once per year. If you review your policy and learn that you have more coverage than you need, you can reduce your coverage and pay lower premiums. The real estate market has been on the decline in the last few years, and many people are probably overpaying for their insurance because of that. On the other hand, if you've increased the value of your house, you may want to actually increase the coverage that you have. Doing so would actually increase the amount you're paying for coverage, but it would also protect you in the future if you needed to make a claim. For example, if you were to build an addition to your house, you would probably want to increase the amount of coverage because if the house were to be damaged or destroyed, you would want to make sure that your insurance policy would be enough to cover the new value of your house. Hopefully these tips have offered you some food for thought. You should always talk to a competent professional regarding any major financial decisions, but hopefully the tips we've given you here will be some good ammunition so that you are prepared for that conversation.